Behind the design, Medial Flare. This client needed a custom orthotic to follow the significantly medially deviated foot morphology. This included a significant talar navicular bulge and navicular drift. The aim of this orthotic was to follow the foot morphology to allow the application of orthotic reaction force by other prescription variables. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the medial flare from the shell width options in the digital corrections of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include: a medial flare is an increase in the width of the waist of the orthotic or midsection on the medial side. The standard orthotic waist dimension is determined by a straight line from the heel cut width to the anterior shell width as determined by the prescription and the attributes of the cast or scan. A 5% flare results in an increase in the waist of the orthotic by 5% on the medial side compared to standard. A 10% flare results in an increase in the waist of the orthotic by 10% on the medial side compared to standard. And a 15% flare results in an increase in the waist of the orthotic by 15% on the medial side compared to standard. Users can also define the amount of flare to a set measurement or based on a template. Factors to consider and common uses for selecting a medial flare include: to follow significant medial foot morphology, including a talar navicular bulge or navicular drift, to increase the orthotic surface area, to provide increased medial orthotic reaction force depending on the axis location. Note: appropriate footwear is also very important when prescribing a medial flare. A medial flare can be removed with a grinder. For more information on DOLA Orthotics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Access our DOLA Custom Manual at dolaorthotics.com.